Hello and welcome to all of you in this video about basics of web development. Here we will talk about what is web development, what it is used for and what are its type, and we will explore it first. So starting with a formal definition about web development. It is considered as a skill, and after this course you will be called as a full stack web developer and will be able to create web apps, web pages and websites for various people. So basically, web development refers to the skill of creating websites and web pages. So there are basically three types of web development that are being followed by various web developers, and they are front-end web development, back-end web development, and full stack web development. First, let's talk about front-end development. This development focuses on designing of a web page, and its prime motive is to make a web page as attractive as possible. Second, the back-end web development. This development focuses on designing and writing algorithms and logics on server side. For example, whenever we search for a website on Google and results are in front of us in matter of seconds. So the results we see is front end, and the results that are being fetched on the basis of keyword that you entered on a search engine like Google is work of backend logics and codes. Lastly, full stack web development. If someone knows front end as well as back end web development, then he knows a full stack web development. And that is what we are going to see and learn. This course will start from introduction, theory, and hands-on practice on front end first, and then we will slowly move to back end. So front end is all about the stuff that a user sees and interacts with. For front end, we have to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and we will be focusing on HTML first. Backend is everything that we can imagine other than styling our website. For example, consider a restaurant. The backend refers to the everything that is done inside the kitchen, and frontend is the food that is being presented to you. So this was the basics of web development, and in the next video we will introduce you to the skills of front-end development. Don't worry, we will have a practical video and hands-on practice too. These are just theory lectures that are made to clear your basics about web development. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share and subscribe so that more of your friends get to know this skill, practice it and be a good web developer in the upcoming future. Thank you to all of you.